Hey, welcome to the April issue of Shutter Magazine. Obviously, I live in Florida. This is what spring is supposed to look like. And unfortunately, a lot of you live in parts of the country that have just been hammered this year by Mother Nature. So I'm down at the day dock in our community. I've got a camera set up on the tripod here. I've got a Lumix that I'm shooting with. I love the remote. Let's just dial in and come in a little bit closer here because I've got all my controls right here. Can't do much about the light though. The light keeps moving around because the sun's going down. This month's article is called "'Tis the Season." And the reason it is the season is because this is the second biggest seasonality of the year, second only to November, December time frame. Now think about it. You've got May, June, July. You've got Mother's Day. You've got prom. Oh, you've got Easter, Mother's Day, prom. You've got graduation, you've got Father's Day. There are so many different opportunities for family portraiture, for event planning, but you've got to be the one to plant the seeds with your clients. And one of the best ways to do that is through blog content. And another thing I talked about this month was partnerships and doing a direct mail campaign. Timing is perfect, but you got to get it done now. If you procrastinate and miss the season, there's no question it's a you snooze, you lose scenario. So let's talk about one of the things that I had in my blog post ideas. Do a post or two about the things to look for when you're looking for a good photographer. And obviously you're going to make sure that you score high on all of those different components. Yeah, we've got to see the sun's going down. It's changing a little bit here. So you want to make sure that you cover all the bases. Suggest references. Suggest that they look at previous albums and the photographer's work. You want to be able to show off your work in answering every one of these questions. And you can do it in a way that's really nice. You don't have to be in their face. Talk about references. Talk about looking at other ideas. Talk about things that a photographer offers, like full service framing. Another thing you might want to talk about is canvas prints. I mean, canvas prints are old to you, but they're not old to your client base. So being able to suggest that in a blog post and actually show a couple are great ideas. Also, think about doing a marketing video. This is the perfect time for you to do a hybrid video and take still images, combine them with short video clips, put it all to music, and tie in a video that shows 1 to 2 minutes. You don't need to go much past that. In fact, if you get past 3 minutes, you've gone way too long and you're going to lose people. Do a video where you're talking about your business. Have some clips in there that show you working with clients. This is your opportunity to really show your passion, and you can do it so much better in a marketing video than just in a text piece in your about section in your bio. So this month, you've got an opportunity right now. It's April. You've still got time to be able to do some unique things out there with your blog, with a direct mail piece. Again, on direct mail, look for partners. You don't have to absorb all the cost your own. So I want to wish everybody a terrific start of the new year, because we're coming out of the slow season now. So New Year's may have been January 1st, but in the photo industry, for the most part, it starts around the first week, second week of April, and it runs through the rest of the year. Good luck this year, and thanks for reading Shutter Magazine. I'll see you next month. And here we go on this one.